G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Well, today's been a shaky kind of day with that ominous deck of middle cloud floating in from the west, but most of us got through it pretty dry, and tomorrow should be bright and sunny. Rather warm last night with a minimum temp of 19 degrees at Townsville Airport, above the September average. Charters Towers hit a top of 36 today ahead of those storms. Now, the satellite loop is a little bit messy. As you can see, we had another one of those weak upper level troughs, pretty fast moving, crossing the state today. Lots of cloud, started breaking up during the afternoon, but we ended up getting a couple of rogue storms, one just near Charters Towers on the Gregory Ranges, for which a warning was issued this afternoon, a couple of little other thunderheads on the way, but it's all going to clear out to sea tomorrow. Let's look at today's chart now. On the surface, we have what's left of that trough joining Mount Isa, but it's the upper level system that's brought most of the cloud. We also have a high that's moving across the bight. At the moment, it's still too far away to bring any wind. On tomorrow's chart, though, it will start to slowly increase the winds along the east coast, but not before we get a little bit of fog because of the light wind situation at first, and then it strengthens later. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Townsville waters, southeasterlies up to 20 knots tomorrow, could even reach 25 knots at times late in the day, that's mainly in the south. On Wednesday, east to southeast between 15 and 25 knots, and settling to 15 to 20 east-northeasterly for Thursday. Our high tides at the moment are happening around the middle of the day, and our lows near dawn and dusk. Still a decent swing on the back of the recent full moon. The Herbert and lower Burdekin, some early fog and then mostly sunny, with Townsville reaching 28 degrees, Ayr also 28, Ingham 27. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders, a sunny day, again some early fog in the southeast. Charters Towers 15 up to 30 degrees, big range. Georgetown 35. Looking ahead for Townsville, a fresher breeze should kick in by Wednesday, followed by a subtle warming trend through the second half of this week. No serious threat of rain for the forecast period. I've had a request to explain the strange images of upside-down mountains, sometimes seen in the Carnarvon Ranges on winter mornings. This fabricated picture is an example of what we call a superior mirage. It's an optical illusion that occurs when light from a distant object gets reflected off a cold air boundary before it gets to our eyes, making it look like it's hanging upside down in mid-air. Ancient seafarers apparently used superior mirages to catch a glimpse of faraway lands, well before they appeared above the horizon. Pretty clever, isn't it? I'm certainly impressed. And that's a wrap for this Monday evening. Hope to catch you all again tomorrow, but for now, it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Liv. Thank you very much, mate. Nice having your company. See you tomorrow night.
And also a reminder, you can watch a replay of 7 News on the 7 Plus app, or you can catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. And from all of us here, good night.
Good night.